US market update, October 29, looking at the SPY. And yesterday, if you remember, I said that we may be looking at the calm before the storm with this inside day and some inside action on the chart. Well, look at this. We gapped immediately above the 50-day moving average, taking us into bullish territory, and then continued to move higher throughout the day. If indeed we took that inside day opportunity and bought at the open or soon after, we could have been rewarded with a nice 1% move to the upside. As far as where else we might go, well, I do believe there's a good chance that we could be heading to challenge this recent all-time high. Remember that if we fail to breach this high and we start to move back down again, then we've had a lower high and a lower low. So failure to breach the $202 mark or a bounce off the $202 mark could potentially mean a breakdown of the overall bullish market. We need to see a higher high and then the next pullback higher than the previous low to really get into a full-blown bullish phase. But short term, I'd say that there's a move upwards. Wouldn't be holding any long positions for more than a day or so, as that resistance could come into play very soon. Over to the diamonds, we can see that the diamonds also gapped above the 50-day, taking us into potentially a bullish phase again. To be able to hold the 50-day for another day or so would be a good sign for the bulls, and once again probably looking at challenging this all-time high. Again, there has been some congestion in this level previously, so we could see some headwinds. The market has been surprising us with these big bursts to the upside, so who knows what's going to happen. Either way, we are in a bullish phase if we can stay and close above the 50-day for another day. And here are the cues, and I said yesterday that we're probably going to be pushing up towards that 100 to 150 mark. Well, I thought it would take a few days. We got there in a day. So a big gap and consistent movement upwards. We would not be looking to go long any further than this because this could easily prove to be a ceiling for us. We'd want to see some definite movement above that. I'd even want to see a pullback before going long again. Now looking at the Russell IWM, and wow, what a significant day that was. So we were talking about this consolidation here, this little rejection pattern, rejection of lower prices, and we thought that perhaps a move above this consolidation might prove to be a good bullish opportunity. Well, it certainly did. Not only did it take out 50-day moving average, but it also took out the 200, taking us well above where we expected to be in a day. That's over 3% move. So for those who were bold enough to take a position on the breakout of this consolidation pattern, that have been well rewarded. But what I'm interested to see now is, can it hold above the 200-day and perhaps lead the other indexes higher? Often after such a bold move, we can see a quick reversal of fortune, but staying above that key level would be very interesting for the markets moving forward. Onto the gold trust, and not quite as exciting as other charts. We can see here that we had a little bullish day, but once again we're in this consolidation pattern here. So equities are really on the move. However, we can see this commodity is just having a little think about where it wants to go next. US market update. Thanks for watching.